Right then, okay, this is take two. I've just got back from Seattle in America, literally, I don't know how long ago. Even my laptop still says it's 9:49 in the morning, which is totally incorrect because it is nighttime here. Anywho, I thought I'd do a quick haul video, various airports like Istanbul Airport. I got some stuff before leaving, and also I went to the Lego store for release day. So let's start. Okay, so first one I got a Nutcracker, because one of the guys in the team always wears a Nutcracker in Fortnite, and I thought that was kind of cool. I like it. I had to pay 15 euros. That was at the duty free in Istanbul after I passed through, which is, I've never knew that there was a Lego store there, but it was 15 euros, which is like normal price, so I'm happy with that. And then I also saw these. I did see some others, but I picked up this one, which is the ornaments, 40744. So Christmas tree ornaments, again 15 euros, which is awesome. So that was that. Now, what else did I get? Okay, when I went to, okay, I'll start with this. When I went to the Lego store in Seattle, October 1st, I joined the queue, and one of the things I bought was this, because I have no idea when this is coming to Turkey, but I bought this, which is the, what does it call it, Santa's delivery truck, which I thought was rather cool. That will go into my Winter Village project, hopefully. Looks cool, looks good, liked it, had to buy it. So that was bought at Seattle Lego store. Thank you, Seattle Lego store. So that was cool. Then of course we go with the Fortnite stuff, which had to be done. Start small first and big last. Okay, so Der Burger. I like it because it's iconic. Some people don't like it because it's a minifig, but I don't care. I like it. It's an iconic thing in Fortnite, and in Lego Fortnite, of course, as well, because you can find them around and about your island, which is cool. So that's 77070. Lots of sevens. So that was the first one. Then, of course, the other iconic one is the llama, 77071. Had to be done. And it's got all sorts of little things like your backpack that you drop when you die, or not, as the case may be. A grappler, got some juices, got all sorts of different little things that go into his back. And you press a button and it all drops out the side. So that was cool. I love the llama. I have got the tiny version. But this is cool. This is 77071, 691 pieces, supply llama. So that was that one. Then we had to get, of course, the scary Peely. I love this. Somebody said these aren't his intestines, these are his brains, which I question. I don't know about you, but brains here doesn't seem right, but whatever. That's what they're saying. So it's the Peely bone. 1,414 pieces, set 77072. I love the Peely bone. I'm surprised they didn't do just the regular Peely, or at least make this so you could build this as the regular Peely, but who am I to say? I'm not Lego. But yeah, nice little plaque with Peely bone on it and a little stand, so that'd be something I can put there. He's got his pickaxe and he's got his gun, which is cool. The paint gun, I think that's the paint gun. Certainly looks like it. Anyway, so that's that one. We'll put him over there. Okay, cool. Right, so that's that one. And then, of course, we had to buy the Battle Bus, which is obviously my favourite set because it comes with a load of minifigs. You can't see me, but I will shoot that back there. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that's cool. There's the minifigs on the side, which is awesome. We've got Meowscles, not my two Meowscles, but we have Meowscles. There's various things you can do with it. I am going to live stream this tonight, so you'll probably see me building this before you see this video, because I'm doing a joint one with somebody, because we are two old gits. You'll see it in the live stream. The name of the, I'm going to put that down there. The name of the stream is quite funny, and yeah. Okay, gift for purchase. Yay, Bright Bomber. Awesome. 151 pieces, Bright Bomber. People complain about the glasses, don't care. I like it, I think it's cool, it's free, and who doesn't like free? So that's that one. No doubt they'll sell that one day. And then the other thing you got was the light up pumpkin, which has a light brick in it, so that's cool. His face lights up, and that was free as well, so that was awesome. That sets 40697. So that was my Lego haul. Going to Seattle and coming back from Seattle and in Seattle at the same time. So yeah, I will be building all of these, and this one, the Battle Bus, will be streaming tonight. That's with Tom Long John. Hold on a second, I need to get his correct name. Hold on just a second. Oh, I can't even find my Discord. Awesome, hold on. I'm on my laptop, I'm tired, okay? So please excuse me. Where's my Discord? Don't know, can't see it. Awesome. Right, anyway, we're going to be doing chat in Discord, so I need to find that. Okay, so it's Long Tom Outgun. I'll put a link to the video in, or his channel in the stream, but what we're going to do, you probably will have watched it before now, but we are streaming together, both building the same thing, Battle Bus. And he's done a thumbnail for it, which was really cool. I really like it. It's a nice bit of humour. We got a nice little title about both being old and can we get it past the first bag. Description and all the rest of it. So anyway, that's going to be in about an hour. If I can sort my clock out. Yeah, it's about an hour's time from now. So we're going to stream that. Hopefully I won't fall asleep whilst I'm building it. I actually left on Saturday and arrived Sunday at the similar time I left Seattle, so time zones confuse me sometimes. But yeah, I left on a Saturday at 6:45, arrived 4:45, got home about an hour ago. So yeah, it's now 8 p.m. So I had a quick shower, unpacked all my stuff, a little bit of damage on the boxes from the suitcase, but yeah, not too bad. And all this was in my suitcase, as well as the Star Wars book, which I ordered a long time ago, and my friend got for me, and I picked it up from them. That is heavy. That is so heavy, that thing. Anyway, I digress. Awesome. This is the Lego haul, and I'll see you in the stream, or I would have seen you in the stream, hopefully. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye. He says bye-bye. He says bye-bye.